guys, what's up? It's Hope, and today I am going to be making some more slime. I've just been into the mood for making slime lately, and that's why I've been making tons and tons of slime related video. If this video gets to 55 likes, I will do like a crunchy slime related video, and I'm going to be making toothpaste slime soon, so subscribe if you want to see that, and subscribe if you're new here, and like up the video. So this is my very first time making glitter slime. Very excited, very excited. I made slime before, but I've never made glitter slime. So these are the materials I have. I have liquid starch. I get liquid starch instead of borax because borax is a lot more money than liquid starch. I think it's like $2. This is $2 cheaper than borax, so this is basically why I get this. And plus, with borax, you have to add water and stuff. And I'm sorry about the car noises. I literally live right beside a road. Not joking, guys. So yeah, I got this, and I have white glue, the cheap kind, because I'm cheap. No, I'm playing. And I have some glitter glue tubes. I'm not going to actually add glitter into my slime. I'm just going to add glitter glue with the white glue. It's going to work, guys. I promise. I hope. And yeah, let's get making the slime. I almost dropped that cup, but let's get making the slime. So this is when the glue totally explodes. It has like this seal thing, and I was trying to like get it out, and I accidentally like squeezed it really hard, and it squirted all over my camera, all over the porch, all over my pants. See, oh my lord, my camera was like going crazy. It was everywhere. Sorry for that intermission. I had to change clothes and clean all this glue off the porch. It literally got everywhere. I was like, oh lord, it got in my hair, it got on my pants, it got everywhere. It's still everywhere. Everywhere. So I moved locations because some reason my grandma started digging a hole in the middle of the yard and interrupted my video. And I don't even know what that is, so ignore that. And this is how my slime turned out. It kind of turned out a little watery, but that's okay. And it didn't turn out as glittery as I wanted it to. I even added a little more, and it kind of turned out weird. This is how it turned out. Still slime. It's kind of juicy, like leaking everywhere. Oh yeah, there's toilet paper. He's saying hi again. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh my god, it's getting everywhere. Hold on. Let me get a better view for you guys. I'm in the floor again, so that's good. This is what my slime looks like. It's this is glittery still, so I think I need more activator. Or maybe I should have put less activator. I haven't made slime in so long, but there's like pieces of stuff in here. But yeah, good to go. camera off again. This always happens to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If this video gets to, how many did I say at the beginning? I think I said 55 likes. I will do a crunchy slime video, and what is in that? It's probably from outside the pollen, but it still looks pretty cool, and glitter is coming off a lot, and it's all over my hands, but I think I made some pretty good slime. And make sure to like and subscribe, and see you